On deck mat number 3, 190 pounds from Harrison Central.
Let's go, Kyler!
From Wadsworth, Macklin Lynn. On deck mat number 3. On deck mat number 2, 190 pounds from Pico, Kai Kerstetter. From Harrison Central, Derek Rogers. On deck mat number 3. On deck mat number 4, 190 pounds from Washington, Anthony Morrow. From Chippewa, Ian Radabai. On deck mat number 4. On deck mat number 2, 190 pounds. From Norton, Isaac Edlin. From Wadsworth, Isaac Taylor.
Come on, Kyler!
On deck mat number 2. 150-pound wrestlers. You may head to the scales to weigh out at this time. 150.
There you go. Come on, Kyler!
On deck mat number 4, 190 pounds from Harrison Central, Hayden Hendricks. From Wadsworth, Jordan Bollinger. On deck mat number 4. On deck mat number 1, 215 pounds. From Kenmore Garfield, James Thompson. From Smithville, Carson Moore. On deck mat number 1. Once again, 144-pound wrestlers who will wrestle the final round of tonight at the completion of the heavyweights.
Hey, Chase, you need me to do Trailer? Can you get my bag?
Come on, Kyler, up and out! Come on, Kyler!
On deck mat number 1, 215 pounds. From Chippewa, Sam Wolanski. From Wadsworth, Carter Raymond. On deck mat number 1. £157-pound wrestlers who may head to the scales to weigh out. 157-pound wrestlers. On deck mat number 3, 215 pounds. From Harrison Central, Max McKibben. Kenmore Garfield and John Hill. On deck mat number 3.
There you go, Kyler! There you go!